Brett are there just waiting to hook up, and we've nominated Brett's the first one when it hooks up. And these boys have got lures in, trawling along. And once we hook up, then we'll be back pulling along. 5 rods in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 there, 5.
Okay, when the rest back in, huh?
We've hooked up, and Brett's
Need the harness?
going for it.
Brett, if you wanna tidy it up, you can tidy it up, yeah? Hey, Brett.
He's on.
If you wanna tidy it up.
We're gonna put the harness on him. We're trolling along, and the driver heard it. He jumped out off the seat and said, "We're on, we're on."
Oi! Huh? There's something up there. What? Come on, we need to see the first one, eh?
Wine and reel, wine and reel.
One and wheel.
Wine and reel. Vinaka, vinaka.
Vinaka, vinaka.
We're on.
Much better stand on the side there. Don't worry, no shots.
The guy's got the big gaff hook.
Yeah.
Big gaff hook ready to get it. I'm desperately hanging on one hand, that's why it's all over the place. Wine and reel, Brett. Wine and reel. Change the whole mood from optimism to yeehaw.
Yeah, man.
Brett's in the zone.
We go again.
Yeah, sometimes.
Hi. Here's the lure.
Sit.
Yeah, Brett. Yeehaw. And the time is, I have no idea. Can't see my watch.
Fiji time.
I'll sit down. There. Time is 8:45. Hooked up the first one, and we did thumb, rock, scissors, paper. Brett was first.
Still got the color.
What sort of fish is that?
Dolphin fish, mahi mahi.
Mahi mahi. Wee.
Woo!
Whoa. Mahi mahi.
Bula!
Bula! Vinaka.
Take a couple of them.
Something
Snaps
else,
it.
right?
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's a mahi mahi.
Mahi mahi. And
Take a couple of still shots.
Can't mate, that's it. Oh, it's wrong
Left
battery.
it. Oh no.
I can actually freeze frame from the video. Right.
Right.
Yep.
Yeah, I want to know. Yeah,